Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be working with how many sounds. Remember that earlier today when we did 95%, we were talking about how we can change the endings of verbs to show whether or not it's happening in the past or the present. The first word that we're going to spell is the word wish. What's the word? That's right, wish. Let's go ahead and push up the sounds. W, I, sh. I hear 3 sounds. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to color the 3 for 3 sounds. Okay, now I'm going to spell the word wish. W, I, sh. Oh, remember I hear that consonant digraph, S-H. Very good. All right, I'm going to change the word wish now by changing the ending. I'm going to write the word wishes. What's the word? That's right, wishes. Let's push up the sounds. W, I, sh, is. 4 sounds. I'm going to color in the 4. All right, let's write the word wishes. W, I, sh, is. Remember that wish ends in 2 consonants, so I just add an ES to the end to make it wishes. Good job. The next word is wishing. What's the word? That's right, wishing. Let's push up the sounds. W, I, sh, ing. I hear 4 sounds. I'm going to circle the 4. Let's write the word wishing. W, I, sh, ing. A few weeks ago, we learned that the ing sound is the letters I-N-G. Good job. Remember that you can pause the video if you need to catch up. The next word that we are going to write is wished. Let's push up the sounds. W, I, sh, d. Sometimes the t sound is made by ED. I heard 4 sounds. I'm going to circle the 4. Let's write the word wished. W, I, sh, t. Wished. Good job. Remember, you can pause the video if you need to catch up. The next word is the word jump. What's the word? That's right, jump. Let's push up the sounds. J, m, p. I hear 4 sounds. I'm going to go ahead and circle the 4. Okay, let's write the word jump. J, m, p. Good job. The next word is the word jumps. What's the word? That's right, jumps. Let's push up the sounds. J, m, p, s. I hear 5 sounds. I'm going to go ahead and circle the 5. Okay, let's write the word jumps. J, m, p, s. Okay, remember you can pause the video if you need to catch up. All right, the next word is jumping. What's the word? That's right, jumping. Let's push up the sounds. j, a, m, p, ing. Oh, I hear 5 sounds. I'm going to circle the 5. All right, let's go ahead and write the word jumping. Good job. Remember, you can pause the video if you need to catch up. All right, the last word that we're going to do today is the word jumped. Let's push up the sounds. J, a, m, p, t. Jumped. I hear 5 sounds. All right, let's go ahead and write the word. Whoops, Mrs. Lindquist made a mistake. Oh, I'm still getting yellow. Let me see if I can change my color back. There we go. J, a, m, p, t. Remember that sometimes the ed makes the t sound. All right, good job doing your how many sounds papers today. Go ahead and continue doing your must-dos before you move on to your may-dos. Have a great day.